that it was due to failure of police and West Bengal administration. हम कहते हैं कि लॉ ऑर्डर इज टोटली कोलेप्स्ड, कानून व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से ध्वस्त है, प्रशासन एकदम से पस्त है और बंगाल की जनता एकदम से त्रस्त है। अगर मूल रूप से मैं इसको बोलूं, जिस्ट अगर इसको बताऊं, that resulted in this gruesome incident is well established, and such incidents, serious crimes like murder, gang rape, loot, riots have become very common phenomenon in the state of West Bengal. There is complete failure and collapse of law and order in the state. In most of the cases, the criminals and the anti-social elements having close nexus with the TMC, with the ruling party, are getting full shelter and protection of the state administration and the police. Such elements are being encouraged so that they could be proved terror for the innocent people and could do whatever they do, like during election. Election में मैं पहले भी जांच कमेटी में गया हूं, लोग इतने परेशान, हिंसा का तांडव नृत्य। विप्लव देव जी तो वहां पर इलेक्शन में पूरे 2-3 महीने रहे हैं, कितना लोगों के ऊपर हिंसा हुई जो बीजेपी के जिन्होंने वोट किया है, लेकिन कोई पुलिस वाला सुनने के लिए नहीं। लोग बेचारे रो रहे थे कि कोई सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं। दुर्भाग्य से मीडिया के लोग भी तैयार नहीं थे। मीडिया के लोगों के अंदर भी इतना डर और खौफ व्याप्त था कि वो भी सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे उन लोगों को उस समय। During elections, the innocent people were either compelled not to go to the polling booths, or if they go, they are forced to vote for TMC candidates. Otherwise, they are to face the dire consequences. Hundreds of persons assembled near college, जब हम कला कॉलेज में गए उसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं. During our visit, disclosed and narrated these facts, but not at the cost of disclosure of their names. Nobody wants to give their names. A high-level independent inquiry by persons of repute or a central agency should be initiated to inquire into this gang rape case and the access and patronage provided to political workers of the ruling party within the government affiliated institute. It is not a solitary case of the law college or solitary case last year of the medical college. Many institutions like this, where the TMC workers, even if they have the criminal records, उनको प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है, उनको अपॉइंट किया जाता है और इंस्टीट्यूशंस वहां पर कोलैप्स हो रहे हैं।